And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, looking at temperatures right now, we are all in the lower 80s to upper 70s. A pretty mild and humid night ahead of us. 81 Kokomo. Good evening to you. Winnemac 82. 82 Monticello, 82 here in Lafayette. Down the river, Attica, Covington sitting 83. Pine Village as well. Looking at radar, pretty active to the northeast. A few counties to the east of our viewing area underneath severe thunderstorm watch, but no warnings currently, but most of the storms staying off to the northeast. But I know we've been talking the last few days that we've had this severe weather potential. Well, where's the severe weather? Well, we had a couple rounds of showers very early, about 2 o'clock last night, this very early morning, and then a couple of showers during the lunchtime hour, 11 o'clock this morning. A lot of that likely dampened the severe weather chances and kept a cap over the entire viewing area. We may see a couple sprinkles out of this kind of line that's passing through Fulton County right now. That's putting down a little bit of good rain north of Rochester, heading really into Rochester. This will be going toward Peru within the next hour, so be aware of that. Some lightning with this, but definitely not severe weather. And the closest model I could get to was an in-house model that our computer system has that kind of shows where these storms are, but it's still not even close. And that's been the trend the last few days. There's really not been a single model that's been consistent with these storms. So it's been a very big challenge with this forecast. But as I've mentioned, it's been kind of like watching the radar hour by hour, and that's what we've been doing, just trying to keep you ahead of the game here. But overall, though, I think the severe risk is definitely going down tonight. We'll be seeing maybe a scattered shower or two in our eastern counties after about 2 o'clock in the morning. The severe risk goes away. And we showed you this map last night. We had an enhanced risk in our northeastern counties. It was downgraded to a slight risk and then eventually a marginal risk, level 1 for all of us for the rest of tonight, with damaging winds, 40 to 50 miles per hour winds with maybe some of these showers that'll pass through. Now, once the shower activity goes away, the big story will start to be the very hot weather for us for tomorrow and Friday. Very hot weather, the hottest of the year so far. 94 tomorrow for a high. Heat index values near 103 with plenty of sun, a few clouds here and there. And where this line of storms kind of develops, it might give off a little outflow boundary for storms to fire along tomorrow. So we'll watch the radar again closely tomorrow for maybe central Indiana, getting some of those storms kind of refiring along that boundary. Just, again, one of those forecasts that we're watching just hour by hour. But certainly going to be hot tomorrow afternoon into the triple digits, and then Friday even hotter. We'll see possibly up to about 107 in some locations for Friday afternoon, so just be aware of that. We'll see some relief on Saturday. Still pretty warm, definitely not as hot. That's why the National Weather Service is giving way to that heat advisory for the entire viewing area for Thursday and for Friday. So if you have any outdoor plans, be sure to find the AC, stay in the shade, drink plenty of fluids for Thursday, Friday. We'll have our next best chance of rain and storms, possibly Friday morning into the afternoon. Just kind of depends on how these systems will develop within the next 24, 48 hours. Once again, kind of riding this ridge. That's why we're so hot. That ridge has expanded and we're on the outer periphery. 98 Friday, 90 Saturday with some scattered storms. Then high pressure settles in Sunday and Monday with drier air in place. And that's going to give us a little more comfortable air too. 87 Monday, 90 Tuesday, 91 Wednesday with some very low chances for some scattered storms.